Hey everyone! Designed to satisfy the demands of contemporary consumers, Acer Aspire C24 is a stylish and multi-purpose all-in-one computer. It comes in a fully functional and aesthetically pleasing package that is ready to use straight out of the box. Users get wireless keyboard and mouse in addition to the all-in-one itself, which removes the need for other peripherals and allows for instant use. Wireless keyboard that comes with the package has a full-size layout and an extra numeric keypad, which makes it perfect for data input or typing jobs. With unique island-style design for improved spacing, its membrane keys provide quiet and comfortable typing experience. Mouse features rubber-coated scroll wheel for smooth navigation, a glossy finish surrounding the wheel, and a sturdy surface that is symmetrical for both left and right-handed users. It ensures accurate performance for daily operations by supporting a sensor resolution of up to 1600 npp and running on a single battery. The elegance of the Aspire C24 is demonstrated by its design. It has a smooth front and a white plastic body with a corrugated texture on the rear. Its ultra-slim bezels, which are only 2 millimeters on the sides, 15 millimeters on the top, and 26 millimeters on the bottom, add to its contemporary appearance. Although this form size typically lacks low frequencies, the integrated speakers produce clear sound, and a 5 megapixels built-in webcam with 2 microphones guarantees sufficient performance for video conferencing. With 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, an HDMI 1.4b output, an Ethernet jack, an audio jack, and a USB 2.0 port, the connectivity possibilities are excellent. Compatibility with a large variety of peripherals is guaranteed by this comprehensive set of interfaces. Wide viewing angles, brilliant colors, outstanding contrast, and a brightness of 250 nits make the Full HD 23.8-inch IPS display perfect for indoor use. An Intel Core Ultra i5-125U processor with 2 high-performance cores, 8 efficiency cores, and 2 low-power consumption cores powers the Aspire C24. With just 15 watt of power consumption, this setup guarantees a balance between performance and energy efficiency. Support for contemporary rendering technologies and fluid imagery are provided by integrated Intel graphics. The device has a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD for quick startup times and lots of storage space, as well as 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM for smooth multitasking. Running Windows 11, the Aspire C24 offers a user-friendly interface, more customization choices, and cutting-edge productivity tools. Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7 are connectivity options that guarantee quick wireless connection. When it comes to performance, the Aspire C24 can easily manage both routine activities and demanding apps, which makes it appropriate for workflows involving AI, graphic design, and video editing. The gadget's lifespan is increased and a comfortable user experience is guaranteed by the efficient built-in cooling system, which keeps the device silent and its components cool. For those seeking a high-performance, dependable, and fashionable all-in-one computer, the Acer Aspire C24 is a great option. It provides a comprehensive solution that is ready to use right out of the box, making it ideal for work, study, or enjoyment. It sets a high bar in its category thanks to its sturdy features, well-considered design, and excellent build quality. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.